it was put on the list only upon his mentioning that he is being threatened to withdraw the case.
Why should any police officer want to threaten the person concerned?
No, the police is being activated at the instance of somebody.
I have not registered the FIR. FIR has been registered by the police.
Obviously.
FIR
How can you register?
No, I'm just making sure in Howrah Sodor PS during the writ petition.
One more thing, sir.
Legal and Financial Department, how are you connected with this lady?
Lordship, 2 years back, there was a matrimonial relationship with the lady.
Matrimonial relationship?
Yeah, we met through matrimony website, shadi.com, and there was a dispute arose, a financial dispute arose between us.
Don't make any contact with the lady.
No, Lordship,
Your Lordship,
Lordship, now I'm married. And I don't have any contact, but still FIR has been lodged.
If you are married, remain happy with your wife. Don't continue with the lady.
No, Lordship, not at all. Lordship.
The matter was mentioned.
yes, sir, I am told that. My officer has no knowledge. My officer is present.
That means nobody from the police went to his house.
Because I am hearing this for the first time.
Yes.
So I will, look, when I make a submission, I have to have some authority.
Yes.
I will email, I've already asked this. She does not know any person by the name of Gautam Roy from this. So, but she will cross check. May I do this one? I'll come back and after I get the clear.
Because the matter was directed to appear in the list
Because there's no reason.
1 week after the vacation. Right. So, it was put on the list only upon his mentioning that he is being threatened to withdraw the case. This should not be.
No, if it is true, because because as far as the state is concerned, why should any police officer want to threaten the person concerned?
No, the police is being activated at the instance of somebody.
Let me find out, because
Please
Gautam
do.
Roy,
He says it's Gautam Roy.
Gautam Roy, the civic volunteer attached to which police station?
AGC was Bigani police station, but the FIR is lodged.
That's why.
Please.
There's a
Please
Gautam
come.
Roy attached to AGC Bose police station. And I'll come back.
The cause of action arose within the AJC Bose Road police station.
FIR was lodged at AGC was police station, 243/23 of the.
And you stay here in Shambazar.
I stay, Lordship, my ancestral house is in Shambazar, Hatibagan, but I stay in Keshtapur. My flat is in Keshtapur.
All right.
He has gone to, that person has gone to Shambhaji,
Shambazar, Hatibagan.
Says
according to this.
the
Just find out whether there's a Gautam.
The matter has appeared in the list upon mentioning by the petitioner appearing in person that a person claiming himself to be Gautam Roy, a civic volunteer attached to the AJC Bose Road.
Lordship, AGC was Bee Garden police station.
AJC Bose Bee Garden Police Station. কি বললাম ওখানটা? Yes, ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে. Visited his residential house at Shambazar and Shambazar and spoke to his mother and spoke to his mother when he was not in the house. Stop. The said Gautam Roy intimated the mother of the petitioner that the petitioner may fall in trouble if he proceeds with the instant writ petition. Stop. A threat has been given to the petitioner for implicating him in false criminal cases if he continues with the instant writ petition.
And Lordship, one more submission. Already in between this writ petition, one more FIR has been filed. 86/2024 at Howrah Sodor PS.
For what?
For the same section, 509, 506, 195A. It is already annexed. In between this writ petition only that has been filed.
May I see it once again?
Yes.
Now, local police station has got nothing to do with the matter. because now it's been taken over the detective department. So I find it quite strange. Why should a local police station bother about withdrawing?
No, it's not he doing it independently. He is acting at the instance of somebody.
That the instance somebody. I'll find out first of all whether
This is
and he has said that he can get the CCTV.
I will try my best to get
Let
this.
him get a CCTV.
Sure.
Acha. The petitioner submits that similar threats were given out earlier and FIR has been registered.
Lordship, I have not registered FIR. FIR has been registered by the police.
Obviously,
FIR.
how can you register?
No, I'm just making sure in Howrah Shodor PS during the writ petition.
One more thing since here, I'm very embarrassed to say this thing. Whatever, but I am not nothing to do with that. This is to the lady. The allegations are that he sends letters to the lady's office.
What do you do?
Lordship, I'm working with Capgemini as a vice president.
You are working as?
With Capgemini, a private company,
Yes.
as a vice president in legal and financial department.
And the
Legal and financial department. How are you connected with this lady?
Lordship, 2 years back, there was a matrimonial relationship with the lady.
Matrimonial relationship.
Yeah, we met through matrimony website, shadi.com, and there was a dispute arose, a financial dispute arose between us.
Did you all marry?
No.
Not
we did
yet.
No.
So, the marriage did not take place.
No, the marriage did not take place.
Who is threatening whom?
The fact is, the complaints are that through a matrimonial website, met, then the lady found out that he had a marital status. That's why she did not continue. Now, this gentleman was eager to continue the relationship. Thereafter, he started sending her vulgar material, letters, and other things. And that is the basis.
That is the complaint of the lady.
Of the lady on the basis of which the FIR has come. I'm not getting into all that. But this is the last FIR that is again 2 envelopes were sent to branch officer managers of the bank. Making
Bank? Which bank?
She works in a bank.
Oh, she works in a bank. Are you sending envelopes to
No, Lordship. That is what I'm saying. That is what the issue is. The envelopes which the Learned Council is submitting, that is the Caesar list that has been taken off. Though they have seized some materials or kind of documents as leaders.
Don't make any contact with the lady.
No, Lordship.
Your Lordship,
Lordship, now I'm married. And I don't have any contact, but still FIR has been lodged.
If you are married, remain happy with your wife. Don't continue with the lady.
No, Lordship, not at all. Already received 4 FIRs. I'm not really interested to do anything. But only concern is, Lordship, the investigation and the document that has been shown to the court and the way they are acting is absolutely incorrect. And that is why the petition.
Whether it is correct or not, that is for the court to decide. You do not try to contact with her in any manner whatsoever.
Lordship.
If I get a complaint or any information from the lady or the police that you are trying to contact her, then you see what's going to happen. The consequences will be extremely serious.
Lordship, this is a submission. When I was outside India, some data were received, and that was documented in the last case.
Whatever it is,
still it
nothing
will say,
to do over here.
I am in sending it. And that is the question raised in the last case. The investigation was found out by the district judge Howrah that whatever was sent in the FIR, and this is the issue. The letters.
We'll hear it later on.
No, that is the issue, Lordship. Now still they are complaining the letters are sent.
Well, may I say this? But may I make a further? I'm shocked. I'm just now informed that a letter was written to the IO.
Yes, by the petitioner.
In the name of the lady.
All right, the lady did not write it.
No.
In the name of the lady. Yes.
Your Lordship will see that. I can't say it.
I'll see it later on.
Your Lordship will see it once. But I'm shocked.
No, please.
So I do not know whether he's written it, but the IO has received this letter.
I understand. Let it remain.
Extremely vulgar.
Let the IO continue with the investigation. What is to be done is let the IO do it.
And the other letters written to the branches is on the same
line.
But it is extremely.
Let the IO find out where from these letters come. Right, because you cannot. It has come through post, it is all right, but then who is written? Yes, please advise. You never know because he says he's married.
He says he's not done it, so I'm not blaming him as of now. So until unless I have evidence,
Neither do you know, nor does the court know as to who, from where from the letters are generated. Somebody is doing it.
somebody who's, because I just had one glance of the letter, somebody has been mentally deranged to write this letter.
And Lordship, one more thing, a sample handwriting specimen signature was taken by the IO.
The IO will do it.
No, already was taken on the
Yes.
case.
Very well. The IO will see what is to be done.
Sure.
Acha. Learned advocate representing the state respondent, paragraph the when is directed to take instruction as to whether there is any such civic volunteer by the name of Gautam Roy in the said police station. ठीक है sir. Let the matter appear in the list on 24th of June. Do you go to office or you work from home?
3 days work from home and 2 days to office.
Monday is a working day in office or at home?
It depends, Lordship.
24th, the matter is being fixed.
I can come here, Lordship.
Learned advocate representing the state respondent shall intimate the next date of hearing to the private respondent. Stop. Take it. Acha, the investigating officer is directed to continue with the investigation. Stop. Let a report be filed before this court on the adjourned date.